Storytelling is one of the best ways to get people's attention online. Everybody loves story. Even me, I love listening to story. Remember as a child, your parents need to tell you stories. And you watch movies, you capture stories. Story is the most fantastic way to connect with people. What do I mean by that? If you are a personal brand or someone that wants to build a personal brand online, learn how to tell your story. For me, it's about being that poor boy born in 1992 and started hawking in 1997 at the age of 5. And from 1997, I hawked till 2012. That's like first 15, 20 years of my life was all in the streets. And what did I learn from there? I learned how to be curious, how to be hungry. I was challenged by people that I saw that was learning computer. And I went to computer center, started learning how to operate computer. So I will be walking on the road. I will see somebody operating computer, I will correct them. How? Is that not funny? This is Mr. Nis. I was that young boy that was carrying sweet and was helping other people type their documents. I was the same guy that was still learning how to do photography, but I was editing professional graphics for people. This is my own story. You find a way to tweak in what you did in the past or what you're doing in the now to do what? To carry people along. Using your story effectively will build fans. It will make you money. It will make impact in the life of people. There are people that want to learn from you. There are people that want to hear your story. Don't hold your story. My name is Mr. Nis. I'm in a business to build 1 million individual personal brand by 2030. I want to be part of those people. Thank you.